So right now we are leaving this hotel beautiful room and we are going near the घाट गंगा घाट के बाजू में जा रहे हैं हम लोग क्योंकि इधर से अराउंड 15 किलोमीटर्स दूर है अपना गंगा घाट तो so we decided to leave this hotel and stay in the next hotel which is Dharmsala and which we are getting in just 2000 rupees for a day because आज हम लोग का ट्रेन है दिल्ली के लिए and so we are going. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is the 5th day of our tour and today we are going to travel from, right now we are in Haridwar and we have changed the hotel from Radisson Blu to Hotel On near Har Ki Pauri and right now we are going to Rishikesh. So from Rishikesh we'll come back again in 2 to 3 hours and then we have a train from Haridwar to New Delhi railway station at 11 p.m. and we'll be reaching on Delhi on 7:30 and then we have a flight to catch from Delhi to Kathmandu back to the home. So let's go and let's start the video and enjoy this video. Delhi in 10 minutes. We'll meet you in the airport. Bye bye. बस अभी हम लोग चेकिंग से पहले ही हैं. इधर आप देख रहे होंगे चेक-इन काउंटर और इधर से हम चेक इन करेंगे एंड देन विल गो टू द लाउंज एंड फिर वही 4:30 का फ्लाइट है फ्रॉम हियर टू काठमांडू दैट इज़ रॉयल नेपाल एयरलाइंस. दिस इज़ द सेकेंड टाइम आई एम ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम रॉयल नेपाल एयरलाइंस. आई होप यू वुड लव टू वॉच दिस वीडियो. सो राइट नाउ डन विद द चेक इन एंड राइट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स Plaza Premium Lounge and then we'll have food and we'll leave for the gate number 9 and we have a boarding time of 3:40. So right now we are heading towards the gate number 9. boarded in the flight that is Nepal Airlines, and right now I'm going to watch the movie over here. It's been a good journey this week, and so thank you very much for all the love. So we'll directly meet you in my home.